Hello everyone, I am Piyush Jain from Media and Public Relations Committee of IIM Raipur. We are honored to have with us today Shri Ajay Kumar, Head of Cost Engineering, Commercial Vehicle Business at Tata Motors Limited. Sir, we welcome you at IIM Raipur's 9th Leadership Summit 2025. Sir, let's dive into the questions.
Absolutely, I'm okay to start with.
Okay, so the first question is, considering your vast experience, what do you believe are the most important qualities or competencies that has helped you in this journey of yours?
Uh, First of all, I would say that constant endeavor to learn. Because when we joined the organization, we came from engineering background and we did not know really about industry. So everything in the industry excited us. And at the same time, I felt that learning about every aspect of the uh, organization is very important. So this is what has helped me first, and then what enabled me to, so that I keep moving from one department to another department, one function to another function. The other most important factor is how we execute. Execution is very important in any activity because we think, we plan, but unless it gets on the ground, that then only we can get the outcome. So constant learning, execution, and working with the teams, because a company like Tata Motors, we can't achieve our results if we are not able to work with other colleagues, other friends, our managers, as well as our subordinates. So it is very important we completely work with all the team members across so that we get the deliverables for the organization. So this is how I would sum it up.
That's a great answer, sir. So, sir, in your experience, what is one leadership lesson that real world practice has taught you, which no textbook could capture?
Yeah, this is quite a difficult one, but yes. What, when we learn about the various leadership lessons everywhere, we do not learn how you manage in a crisis, how you manage in a difficult situation, because that is live, that is what you experience. So, keeping your composure, keeping you focused on the job or the item or the issue or the crisis that you have. So this is one of the most important things, keeping calm and getting directly to executing the required business outcome that we need to focus on. This is what we never learned in the classroom. So it is what you do, and this is how you build your leadership ability, so that you pull in everybody together, you bring whole team together. We start not divulging our energy in other aspects. We really focus. This is a crisis. There is an issue that at hand, and we all need to get together our strengths together and execute it. So, working very calmly in a crisis situation. This is how I'll sum it up. This is what is one of the important things I would.
That's a really great insight, sir. So let's move to the next question. So the automobile sector is undergoing rapid change globally. What kind of skills should management students develop in order to thrive in such evolving industries?
Yeah. So, because we are in an era where you may be a leader at one time, but there is somebody who is also kind of coming up, and he does not have any industry knowledge. He has never worked in that industry. So what I would say that there are disruptors all across you. So what we need to understand is we have to be aware of what is happening outside. There is knowledge that you guys are gaining in your management school, but what is happening across in adjacencies? What could be the opportunity? What are the problems that people are facing in the world, and how we can improve our ability to kind of solve those problems, as well as we also shorten the cycle of solving those problems. So these are some of the things that I think I am not sure that if it is being taught in your management school, but keeping yourself aware, abreast with whatever is happening. What are the challenges that individuals or people or masses that are experiencing, and how you as a management student could help in solving those problems apart from whatever is taught in all the management schools like strategy, finance, etc. Because everything leads to how we solve a problem, how you help in building ecosystem so that the world becomes a better place. This is what we all need to focus on. This is what and in whatever domain you are in.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. So, given the rapid advancements in AI and digital transformation, what are your views of the impact on the same?
See, in my view, the digital transformations have started. Now, what has happened? The speed has become very fast, and this is bringing efficiency in the overall system. The computational power that we have currently can bring us a lot of efficiency in the overall system, and we have faster opportunity of taking decisions. What data could give us by manual calculation, say few months, that we can get in seconds or hours or minutes, and then our decision making happens. So what we want to intend to execute faster, that is one thing that digital transformation is helping, and it is giving us the outcome real time. That, like, for example, I'll give you example of Tata Motors. Like, we have a fleet edge system which is fitted in our trucks, and a customer or who is a kind of a vehicle owner, and many of the transporters, they own thousands of vehicles, so they know real time how what is the fuel efficiency of the vehicle, is it being run properly or not. So a lot of data is available to them, and then they are able to optimize their overall performance and optimize the cost as well. So the efficiency of the overall system has helped, and digital transformation and AI has been quite helpful in achieving that. But insights and decisions are, of course, will be taken by people like us, human beings.
Absolutely, sir. And what methodologies do you adopt to approach problem solving and decision making in high pressure situations?
Yes. So, we come across high pressure situations always, and we also look forward to solve it. If this is what is I'm thinking, as managers, our roles are, and of course when you guys also grow up, you will also face this situation. So what is most important is that identify the root cause of the problem. So what is important is, rather than just being on the surface, let us get really deep into this, why it happened, why it happened, why it happened. So we generally say, if the engineers say, we should go to the 5 whys, and we'll really reach to those reasons, the reason for that. And then we need to kind of solve that problem at the lowest level, so that it does not kind of come back again, so that we sustain those solutions. And then see, for any problem, the manager or the person responsible may not have all the solutions. So it is important to go to the right people, so that we get those people, rather than just trying to solve yourself where your abilities are limited. So we should be very open to identify the systems or the people who are capable of helping you on that. So what I would say that, for example, if there is a failure in a vehicle, so it is, rather than the service engineer solving, he should also look at, if he is not able to identify the opportunity, he should be able to go to the designer, he should be able to go to the quality people, and collaboratively we can reach to the problem and then solve it and sustain it, so that it never repeats. So this is how I would say that this is how we should do.
Okay, that's great, sir. Let's move to the last question of today. So based on your experience, what advice would you offer to IIM Raipur students who are about to enter the corporate world and aspire to become the business owners?
So I would say that you guys are at the right place. Actually, this is the first statement I would like to make. Apart from the learnings, the classroom learnings you have, what is important is we should always have humility of learning throughout our life. What happens, this is how we, many of us become very arrogant that we are from IIMs, we are from IITs, and we'll be able to do everything in the world. I'm sure you guys will do it. But in this constantly changing world, we do not know everything. So we need to continuously keep on learning various facets of business. And with humility, we should do it. And we should also collaborate with whoever we meet, whoever we work with. Because in automobile industry, even if a nut is loose, this truck or the vehicle can fail, and this might be fitted by the lowest person in the organization. But who gets impacted? The CEO or the organization. So it is important that we make those environments also so conducive that everybody is happy. We should have empathy for everybody in the organization or wherever you guys are going to work. Apart from all those learnings that you are going to have from this institution. So I would say empathy. Customer, I missed that part. So we always have to design everything with respect to customer. We have to ensure that whatever is the expectation of customers, that is paramount for existence of any business. So start from customer, be humble, and execute those strategies or the activities that you plan to meet the customer expectations along with the team that you have, and have empathy for customer and everybody around you. This is what I would suggest apart from whatever you will do.
Okay, thank you, sir, for joining us at IIM Raipur today. Your insights and experience have been really invaluable. We are truly honored to have had the opportunity to learn from you, and we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.